Biche chopiga mar Alfareo Pradegareyo, Jodak ma Mukuyuni kaunti ma Makueni oyudo puonje wi kaka ginyalo rito kothe mopogore mag yiende kaka yo mano ni koth yiende go nyalo dong nyaka e aluora ma oro nitiere. Puonj ma kamano ochiwe kinde mane iyawo kar pidho yien kod yien kod riwruok moro ma ji giwegi. Kar pidho kodhi no owach ni nyalo nyuolo kodhi 250 kanyakla dichiel.
Tulifikiria tukaona bila kuwa na nasari ya miti, ya kupanda miti, hii ndoto iwezi kutimia. Sababu kila mwaka tumekuwa tukitoa miche inayoweza kufikia karibu miche 1.5 milioni hivi. Tunahakika kama nasari zingine zitafanya kama sisi, hii ndoto ya kupanda miche 15 bilioni itaweza kufikika asubuhi na mapema.
We have to understand together with our local partners and the consortium partners ICRAF and BGCI where to plant which tree species so that the trees survive. It doesn't help to plant poor quality seedlings and never return to the site where you have planted, but it is also about following up, doing inventories, monitoring the tree growth and see that the trees are healthy.
And with this climate change, there is change in the weather, meaning it's getting drier. A lot of rainfall comes for a short time, then a long dry spell. And with this comes in, apart from the dryness, comes in changes with the pests and diseases. And if you do not have a well-suited tree species planted in the place, it is not going to also have it's not